Cabinets! Let's talk about some cabinets today. Kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets, vanities, linens, all that good stuff. Alright guys, so cabinets. We want to talk to you about all this amazing cabinetry that we can do and some of the options that you have available to you for different applications. So of course, again, maybe you're working on that nice new kitchen, you've came in, you're looking at some floor, and somehow that randomly stumbled into doing your entire kitchen remodel. I had that happen once. Anyway, so you start looking at what type of options are out there, man, and the price ranges and all the different stuff, and what does it all mean and how does it all work. We're going to cover that in some upcoming videos here, where we're going to start to break down the qualities of cabinets and some of the brands that we carry and what we feel like, again, might help make your kitchen part of your dream home. So today, let's just kind of cover some basics. You do have different types of kitchen cabinet options out there, but for the most part, a lot of people may not realize this, pretty much everything you have available is going to have a solid wood face frame. This is a face frame, also sometimes known as the style of your cabinet. Sometimes the face frame may be made out of either maple or oak or birch or many other different species, but the face frame and the doors are generally going to be a solid wood material. Sometimes they're painted, sometimes they're stained, sometimes they're a combination of the two, where we use glazing and other stuff to really create some really unique accents. When it comes down to it at the end of the day, you know, which one's going to maybe be more durable for my home? Maybe you got kids at home and, you know, they're kind of hard on things, of course. So if we've got some durability things, oak and hickory, especially because of the grain patterns and the color variations of those materials, they tend to hide things really well, your dings and your dents and your bruises of everyday life. But, you know, maybe you got a really small kitchen and you want to open it up. So we've also done a lot of little galley kitchens and things like that, and done white cabinetry, which really brightens things up and opens up the space. Generally, painted cabinets are almost always done on a maple, which is a little harder than oak, but because it's such a perfect finish, in other words, again, just a solid white or a solid gray, they tend to show things a lot more. So whether that be a dent or a gouge, or even just the seams in the cabinets, things like that. So again, just want to make sure and keep in mind some of those different things, you know, as far as what you're looking for your kitchen and what your dream home is. So we also have some different pictures both on our website, or if you go to Birch or Shiloh or Aspect and check out some of the different kitchen cabinets that are available from those lines, we can really create a custom design for you. And we have a program called 2020 where we can actually do 3D rendering and even show you what it will look like in your home. So give us a call today or stop by, and make sure you like, share, and comment on this video.